Hi, I'm customer experience expert Marc Gordon, and I know how challenging it can be to find the right kind of speaker for your next conference. You're looking for someone who can inspire, engage the audience, while entertaining and passing along strategies that they can use to accomplish whatever goals they've set out for. Well, that's why I am so excited to let you know that I, along with Olympic gold medalist Nikki Stone, have teamed up to be able to do just that, to check off everything on your list. See, we're going to start with Nikki, who's going to come up and deliver a performance that I guarantee you will get a standing ovation. She is going to share with you her journey all the way to Olympic gold and do it in a way that inspires and entertains your audience and lets them know what they need to do and the strategies they can employ to be able to reach whatever goals they want, to overcome whatever challenges they face, and to work together as a team. And then I will join her after that, in which I will be showing your team how to deliver customer experiences that inspire loyalty and increase sales, and to do it in a way that is manageable not only for your staff, but also your finance department, and of course, makes every customer feel recognized, valued, and appreciated. Together, we are going to bring something really special and unique to your next conference.
Throughout her career, she has earned 35 World Cup medals, 11 World Cup titles, 4 national titles, 2 year-long aerial World Cup titles, and a World Championship title.
I could see 40,000 people at the bottom of the hill, and the winds were gusting up to 50 miles per hour.
A majority of Nikki's time is now spent and dedicated to encouraging and inspiring audiences around the country.
The fog had settled over the site, and I turned to a Russian girl who was standing next to me, and I said, "What do we do? We can't even see the jumps." And she said, "Don't worry, you'll see it when you get to it." Now, that wasn't all that reassuring to me, but I thought it was a great analogy for life. We can't always see the outcome. We just have to take the risks and that leap of faith and know that we will see it when we get there.
For over 20 years, our speaker has been showing companies how to deliver experiences
referred to as Canada's Marketing Superstar by Oprah Winfrey Network.
Make you better marketers in your own businesses.
Has been named one of Canada's leading authorities on marketing.
Marketing expert Marc Gordon joins me now.
Marc Gordon is a customer experience expert.
Marketing expert Marc Gordon joins me now. I'm joined now by Marc Gordon, a customer experience expert.
And welcome Marc Gordon.
Please join me in welcoming Marc to the stage.
Listen up, Marc Gordon.
If you can get out of an Uber at the end of the ride without the help of an EMS worker, your expectations have been met. It's pretty good. And yet, in spite of that, we still take it. In fact, not only do we take it, but those of you with teenagers, I have a 15-year-old daughter, what do? We set them up with the app as well. But what they don't realize is when we give them that app, what we're saying is this: if you're in a situation you're not comfortable in, if you feel your safety is at risk, if you just want to come home, don't call me. It's late, I'm sleeping. Instead, call a stranger, get into their car, and give them your home address. And of course, because we are so awesome, we finish it off with that famous chocolate sundae. Because where else can you get artificially sweetened dairy-free ice cream slathered in synthetic chocolate syrup for $1.29? Puts a smile on anybody's face. To find out more, all you have to do is reach out to the Atlantic Speakers Bureau. Their information is in the write-up above or below, wherever it might be. Give them a call, check out their website, and ask how you can book Marc Gordon and Nikki Stone for your next event.